Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 8th of March, 2022. Hope you had a good trading day to start the week here. A little crazy with oil going nuts, obviously, and dollars at new highs and all the other issues we're having, but the markets themselves fell off sharply. And we'll see. So here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. And as you can see, that's a new closing low going all the way back to last June. So this is obviously everything going on in Russia is having an impact here, or in Ukraine, I should say. So here's the S&P cash, lost 127 points. Ugly. NASDAQ 100 down 518, also very ugly. SOX down 160. This will be, no, that's not it. So we're 11 down today on the SOX. 2 more days down and you'll be at a 13 buy signal or exhaustion. And in theory, biotech's down 42. Near the lows, Russell 2000 down 49.57, also near the lows of the last year. Crude oil up $2.42. It was obviously much higher. Got over 130 at one point in time, but still sitting just under 122 at this point. Gold down $3.90 after breaking out finally. The advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was negative 1572, so way more stocks down than up. Obviously, on the New York, it was negative 1850, 1886, also pretty negative. NASDAQ volume, 6.2 billion shares. Good volume day finally, but you know things continue to worsen, obviously. The VIX closes at 36.45. It's the highest close, and we still haven't gotten over 40. I keep pointing out we should. We have the calls on the VXX, which is the tradable version of the VIX, got up to 28.49 here. So a nice run for us here on the VXX calls. And again, if we do get some kind of panic spike and it shoots the VIX for a day or two up above 40, remember it goes quick. You can get from 40 to 50 really easy. That could take this higher, and we'll probably get out of the position then. Trend closing at 0.78. 0.77 puts the 10-day at 1.03. Apple down $3.85. Amazon down 163.76. Not pretty there at all. Facebook down 12.59. New low there. Google down 110.56. Another one that doesn't look pretty. Goldman Sachs down 7.78. That's a new low for the bank. Netflix down $11.47, also a new low. Peloton down 97 cents at 22.52. Got TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $1.07. Tesla down 33.71. And Zoom down $1.06. We got the Bitcoin sitting at 38,650 at the moment. The Dow lost almost 800 points. I should point out we got a 13 buy signal on the Bitcoin daily chart here. Be interesting to see if that means anything. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute charts of the ES. No, this was interesting because the overnight session, the futures opened on Sunday and they were down huge. And then right in the last 2 or 3 hours before the stock market opened, they came all the way back up. So we ended up opening even on the day and then turned around and sold off to lower than we'd been all night. So I'm not sure what that was all about. Very, very strange. Again, hard to read this market sometimes. You know, you'd like to see it just fall apart and get to it. NASDAQ down 18.75. So that's pretty much it in terms of economic data on Tuesday. We've got a trade balance here in the U.S., so we half size for Forex ahead of that number. Final wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. as well. And, you know, remember we're heading into the Fed announcement next week, so that should be interesting on top of all this. That's about it. We'll see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.